Welcome back, Gamerinos. We're still listening to In Love with a Ghost because I've got three songs left on this album, which is Playful Spirits, and then we have the last album, Portal. Alright, let's see where I left off. Here, I assume. Okay, so somebody was confused, so this one basically done. Alright, okay. So yeah, that one's good. I'll put Kiddo's playtest up here. Put that in its own little category, I guess. Because I'm wondering how much I want to target kids, because it is sort of a kid-friendly visual style. But the actual story is kind of high concept, and it doesn't have very much direction, so I don't know if it'll be... I'll have to think about the marketing eventually, because that's another thing I've had a lot of ideas about, like, who is going to play this game? And why are they going to play it? And, like, how do I reach those specific people? Or, like, who would enjoy it? Because, honestly, I'm fine with, you know, if this game actually... Well, yeah, it'll probably go commercial. But I'm fine with not selling very many copies, because to me that's psychologically less harmful than, like, if a lot of people buy it and then realize they don't like it, and then are mean to me on the internet. You know, there's like the balance there of like, what is the monetary value of people being mean to me on the internet? Oh, and I figured out what I'm going to do here. I'll just write that down. I'm not going to do it now, though. So hotspots, cache efficiency. Alright, this is, what is this? Oh, this is one of my devlog things. Because, yeah, I'm thinking about, what I'm going to do with that. So let's do, rendering multi-threaded overhead from place all field setters so basically I'm going to replace all those, because there was a bunch of those, if we go back here, you know, all of these functions, each one of these in the multi-threaded renderer, it has to grab the mutex for the queue, I'm pretty sure, put it into the queue, and then release it. And then anytime the or the rendering server gets a command, it needs to grab the mutex again, and grab from the queue, release the mutex. So what we could do is we could replace all of these functions here, or instead of having it, like, grab the singleton stuff, it could just do, like, a like, mark dirty or something, like, you know, there's, like, you know, some data dot, restart equals true, and then, like, mark, you know, something like that. And then in the notifications here, it could do, like, you know, this internal process does whatever it does. And, like, if dirty or something like... like that. And then every field that currently gets this singleton, it would not get the singleton. It would just set, like, this fixed FPS in the data and then mark it as dirty. And then every frame, it would only send, you know, it would send it if anything's changed. And this would mean that any time that I change an individual field, it would be less efficient. You know, if I'm just changing one field, but the thing is, I'm not changing, like, individual fields of this at runtime. I'm changing it like this. I'm either setting it to everything, or I'm getting, like, the properties from the load, or, like, from the scene or something. So if we go back to here... So I guess I'll keep this like this. Oh wait, I'll do, So for now it'll be like this, so that way I can extract this out of the profiler. And that'll be... And I'll probably do that with, like, everything, then. Because that means that, like, the meshes probably do the same thing, where they have, like, you know, a whole bunch of different individual things that all have to sync up. But okay, that'll be for later. Because I don't want to do that now. No. Because that's just placeholder, like, example code. And it'd probably be like a const reference. So yeah, and that was that specific particle. This is a different particle stuttering, because that other one was caused by the thing. But okay, so I had a lot of trouble making the long jump to dropping platform. It took me a while to realize I could climb the wall after a roll jump. Yeah, that's... Okay, so that's the next one. So specifically, I assume they were in this chunk. And they were at this floor. No, they were at the floor below this. Right here. They were confused by this, so I probably need to move this further out or something. So that way it's less obvious that they are... And I know. Boom. Oh wait. That reminds me. These gems. Okay, now we've restarted our, thing. I'll do that. Let's get some... Do I have any other music? I don't care. I like this. I like this music. I'll just listen to it some more. Okay, but we got this. I'll just put a little gem here. Is it the... This is clicking not working. I think this might be like the only gem here. Which could be... Well, I can put some gems around. That'd be good. So this should hopefully indicate to the player. Actually, let's make sure that this works so that I didn't, like, push that too far away. Oh right, no lighting, because I'm no-clipped. There we go. Okay, so another one will be making these respawn. Also, why is the... That's weird, the laser doesn't affect them. Look at that. Very strange. But okay, so this is... So yeah, hopefully that tells the player what they need to do there. So I'm just gonna say that's probably good. Just give him a little piece of candy. Alright, so bugs somehow turned upside down, so I can fix this at least. So let's put in the bugs though, just to be sure that somewhere. And now that I think about it, this could also fix... This could mean that I could just use the single-threaded renderer, and then I wouldn't have to deal with the crash that comes with the multi-threaded renderer. Because this would mean that, like... because I think the issue is, when you load resources like meshes and things, it'll make calls to the physics server. Or no, the rendering server. I keep mixing that up. And it's technically the visual server, because the rendering server is something else, but... You know, it sends things to the renderer, but it's in the wrong thread, so that data is like not properly maintained. So that's why I get errors where like objects don't have their materials once they're loaded from a separate thread. But if I don't make any calls when the object is created, and I only make the call once the object is like in the tree and updating, that could, in theory, improve things. Or, like, fix this issue, so then I would completely, like... in a single... with single-threaded rendering. And this would mean that I could also construct the objects in parallel. Sort of, maybe, if I can get the tree to behave properly. Because I'm thinking about, like... Because I want the game to run really well. Like, not only because I think it would speak to my quality as a developer, but also because I am a gamer with a 144 Hz monitor, and I didn't buy it so that I can play my own game at 30 FPS. Okay, but let's go through the feedback some more. Rolling down hills, I'll occasionally grab the ledge behind me. Let's make sure that is fixed. Because it may be something where it's just kind of unavoidable. I think 128 is a good one. Yeah, this is okay. I think it's if it's so steep that the player couldn't roll on it, they'll climb on it. Like, because there's very, like, discrete states with these behaviors. I'm gonna lower the volume a little bit, because this is the me stream. Also, I mentioned before, I don't know why this... Oh wait, I just realized it didn't disappear. It's just that there's 2 panels over this now. Hang on. I think I know what I need to do. Let's go to the tab container. Wait, let's go, because, like... Okay, so all of these... Okay, so, like, this one. Like, look at this one. This one is weird, because now it's darker up here, and lighter down here. So it's like... It's somehow different. Yeah, that's so weird. Wait, now it's dark. Wait. Now I'm very confused, though. Because it's somehow... Like, look at this. Right here, it's lighter. This top bar is lighter than down here. I go again. Now it's darker because there's nothing behind it. It's still lighter here. Lighter. Darker. Darker. So now if we go back, now it's darker up here than it was down here. So I think I'm just doing something wrong with the draw function. Because that was like a hack that I had to add in the C++ very early on. Yeah, I might just make it so that the player can roll downhill if they really want to. You know, if they're facing away from the hill. Yeah, that would be fine. Because it's important to remember that the point of the game's controls is to map the player's intentions to the actions, not their literal inputs, to, you know, not the input plus state. So like here, yeah, here they're going to climb because it's too steep. So that could be confusing because it's a very, you know, because they want to go downhill. So let's do, let's pause this. Go to the player. So we are in, so if best, so if pressed, no, holding, move, crouch, and movement dot best floor dot greater than min dot slide crouch, no, slide roll. Is it, what is it here? Okay, so that is movement. Oh, it's best floor normal. Min dot ground, min dot climb, min dot const, min dot slide. Roll will be like 0.5? No, I know. We need desired velocity. Okay. So now, once the player starts slide running... Yeah, we can do that. There is some funky stuff where... Okay, but if I try rolling uphill, it looks a little weird, but it doesn't actually help me very much, I don't think. Yeah, because you need to roll downhill at the start, and then it's, you know, at most you can turn around and it'll try to do that, but... So then we need, roll. So state.crouch. Okay, so we have this here. So yeah, should go back to slide from rolling. That's a little, So if you hold the roll button, what does that mean? I mean, we should start sliding. So we're in state slide, roll, crouch, climb. Roll, crouch, climb. Roll. Okay, so that's not supposed to happen. I know why. It's because I'm doing press. Or I shouldn't do holding here. I should do pressed, I should say. Yeah, now we get some good-ish stuff. Ah, okay. So that's because here it's still sort of warbling between like crouching stuff and that. Okay, so we still need to have Maybe I need like a sliding like down the wall. But oh well. I won't do that yet. So state.dash. No, that's wrong. State.roll. After pressed, after roll time min, so roll time max. If the ground area is empty, if this is true, we do slide. If I know. Wait, no. Can climb. Okay. So I need this, actually. So if it's, if pressed. And so that could be like, you can go down even faster by just holding left trigger. That could be cool. Yeah, now what it should do is you hold that's not quite right. Well, it simply isn't right, actually. It's a little finicky. I'm just gonna do... So maybe it'll be instead, yeah, this is making the case that I should have had roll and climb on separate buttons. Because then I could have, yeah, roll, crouch, and climb, and then, yeah, roll, crouch, and slide. Because then you could slide down hills, and that'd be kind of fun. But okay, I'll say that's good enough. Yeah, because it wasn't actually a bug. It was just a control thing, or like an intended behavior, but not super useful. Rolling around, not using stamina. It would be nice if there was also sprinting. Flying enemies too tough. Maybe I'll do the difficulty setting thing. So it'll be like management settings. Say we have like graphics here where it's going to be widgets, enum widget. Let's see. So I'm going to need to actually... I know I got back like half an hour ago, but I'm going to need to take a quick pause to get some water and use the bathroom. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so this is my lovely little enum widget, but I needed it to do... Basically, right now it just gets the strings, so I'm gonna actually get, whatever it is. For, ID to... I wonder if this has an ID. Oh, okay, I can just... Hang on. This is... Okay. This is way easier than I thought, because I can just do add item h0 dot noise. H. Or, how do I do this? Oh, okay, H0. Okay, this does what I want, which is to make it so that multiple word things will work how I want them to. Alright, what are these issues? Normal is never used in impact zone. Alright, let's remove it. Actually, let's just do if not is inside 3. What was I actually doing, though? Okay, let's make sure that this works, so... Oh wait, I need to put this here, h.capitalize. Because this is the hint for enums, because it's basically a comma-separated list of, like, if they're an enum, like, true, or, like, false, 0, true, 1. You know, like, something like that is what, this is what the hint string would look like for this. Okay, that looks good. Let's go to difficulty, or a new setting. Do I actually, hang on, do I have the settings just here as like a thing that I can load in? I guess we got this. Sub options. Let's do like enum damage. Normal, half. Let's do like half, normal, double. So we need get name. And then I can go to my options menu. And we can, tabs. How do we do this? I just realized that's the wrong place. Because it's called pause menu still. And I'm gonna delete this. And I'm gonna delete this. Okay, so now now everything makes sense in the world. And then I'll need to, let's go back to this. Oh, okay, I need to have one of these. And how does this work? Menu name difficulty. You know? Okay, here we go. So I need to add it here. Well, if I can just add this here, why do I need it? Why do I need any of these buttons? If I can just do, I'm gonna automatically generate these. I hear anime girls in my song, and it's upsetting me. Okay, so we need to delete all of these, because this is too many things. So let's go onReady var main options panel. Oh wait, what do I need to do? I guess foreground? You know, I probably made a mistake of deleting so much stuff so quickly. Okay, let's see how these are all like set up first before I start deleting everything. So okay, they are part of the foreground. Why is this like this? I guess it's maybe is this animation player? Okay, I'll just need to remember that. replace that. Replace. Oh wait, main, hang on. Why is this here? Like, what is this button? Oh, okay. Right. Let's do like var option menus. That'll be a dictionary. I guess it automatically iterates over the keys. Let's create one of these called like options template. I do not remember this song. Why is... Wait, my mouse can't go over to the other monitor. Help me. Oh wait, it's because this is here still. Why is that there? Okay. Generate menus for S in settings.sub options. I'm gonna need to get categories soon as well, because I want to have separate difficulty categories for dialogue hints and the combat, and probably puzzles maybe, if I feel like it. But okay, generate menus. Equals sub options template dot duplicate. Now we have these. Then I guess we'll have the option. So do these have anything special going on? I don't think that was intentional. Oh wait, it was intentional, okay. Because I don't want the player to accidentally go left. Okay, so now we're gonna have a button template. Neighbor. And what am I doing here? UI/options menu. Right, this is okay. So it does know what it's doing. Or I guess I'll just do. I haven't done this correctly. Oh well.
Good morning, Kanai.
Hello, Tono. You're early again.
Let's just look at what these do. So they set the level first, and then they grab the focus of the one that's needed. Okay. That's easy. Option menu dot values. M in option menus, if sub menu equals M. I know.
See you later, Tono.
So it should generate a series of buttons. And they should also I should make them well, I think this will be fine. I think they might be in reverse order though. Oh wait, no. Button done. And that was why I need. Okay, so that's why I needed the focus neighbor left stuff. Invalid. Oh, dot get path. Hello? Well, what's it supposed to be? Oh, it's OUR. Okay. I thought it was the type. Hmm?
Goodbye.
Whoops. That's what I get for not using capital or case sensitivity. Okay. This should not be nil. Oh wait, I guess it might be if it's added before it's inserted to the tree. But isn't... No, but it's added here. So why is this null? No, okay, so this is an orphan. And it's because the options menu is not added to the tree. And the options menu... Why is that not added to the tree? Oh, it's because I didn't... Okay, it's because I didn't add them to the foreground. And that should also be done before it generates anything. And then it should hide these. Where's the button? It adds child node as a child below the node. Okay. Hopefully this won't be all screwy. All right. The button text. Difficulty, graphics, display, colors, audio. Okay, so I will put these in the opposite order. Yeah, it'll be like var top equals button template top button top. So that way they're added in order, top to bottom. So that way I can still like control the order in which they appear in the menu. So yeah, audio, controls, display, graphics, difficulty, back. Where's the debugger? Here. Why did I name these main menu and main options? That was dumb. Let's make it consistent. So main menu, options panel. Let's do options audio. Does not focus on anything. Submenu equals M. Oh, I don't add them here. Okay. Option menus, S equals menu. Well, that explains that. I should also keep track of which node was focused, so I'm going to do that as well. Let's do for last button focused. Or like last focused. Set level. Let's do last focused as an array. And then we'll do if L greater than level. So it's focus owner. Okay. If let's see if this works. So basically, like, if I press options, then if I press B, should go back to the options. So let's remove these. Do if L greater than level. Greater than or equal to level, I guess. Okay, so does this do what I want it to do? I think this needs to be up here like I had it. So if L is greater than level, the last focused owner equals get focus owner. If L is less than level and last focused L, get focused L to grab focus. I think this works. Let's test. So basically, when I pause, it should grab the first thing. And then when I go back, so B goes to options. Then if I go to display, and then go back, it goes to display. So now you can go through all of the options one at a time. Oh, right. I don't do this. I do ID. Oh, and also set value should do the same thing. This way I can have arbitrary values of enums and much simpler code, and I don't even need to have the... Or I don't have to have the enum string match exactly. Wait, options. So, like, difficulty. Yeah, now it does its stuff. So normal damage, half damage, double damage. So we can make everybody glass cannons with high aggression. And so that gets the UI for that. I'm not sure what I want to do with that aggression, though. I guess I can just alter the values that the NPCs have. Actually, it'd be kind of funny to do, like, 0 damage. So, like... Yeah, that could be funny. Where, like, the enemies just have... Or, like, the player and the enemies don't do any damage. Or, like, you can... So, like... If you want to make the combat really hard, you could make it so that the player does 0 damage at all. So the NPCs, or the enemies are just an obstacle that you permanently have to run away from. But I think the player could accidentally, like, forget that they've set that, and then get confused as to why enemies aren't invincible. Why don't bullets... Hang on. My particles stopped working. Like, the bullet should be... Like, there should be dust when the player shoots. Like that. But it's not on the rock. Oh well. Another thing that goes to the mysterious world of tomorrow. Okay. Let's just make it so that the player takes half damage. So this will be very easy. Player... TSCN... Take damage. Damage factor. Equals settings dot sub options d dot Image take factor. Okay, and then we'll do function. Oh wait, I can simplify this. There we go. So now the player can take or give double or half damage. Oh wait, hang on. The UI, my options menu. This button template should not have that. And my options template. Oh, I guess it should have this. Yep, that's good. So I guess this is... Oh, right. If the option submenu has this signal, UI redraw, I need to do function. So that'll be... I guess I can just do with the options menu here on UI redraw. Oh, and I'll show off my nicer, my color picker. Because it sets just the hue, saturation, and value. So if we could options display, there's my new hue, so like I can make it like, let's change the saturation to make it more obvious. I'd like to, at some point, have the analog stick support and also the ability to just hold the stick. Also, the saturation does not seem quite right. Yeah, okay. Yeah, my saturation picking thing. Okay, let's go to my saturation. I just realized why. It's because it uses modulate. Wait. Oh, okay. Yeah. Desat, high sat. How do I make it so that a control needs to redraw? Notification theme changed. No. Draw. Let's go to node canvas item. Okay. So we're gonna go to hue slider, do the same thing here. Oh wait, this doesn't need this though. Yeah, so this doesn't actually need that. Saturation and value do. Then we go here and we'll do because I was doing that because I didn't know how to do the update. And modulate automatically calls update because it needs to redraw stuff. Now it makes a lot more sense. Because now you can see, like, on the left it has the regular color, on the right it has the, like, fully saturated color. Yeah, so now everything is back to the way that it should be. So I'll need to figure out... It'll be pretty annoying, I guess, to make the UI handle, like, analog stick input and holding the D-pad. Because I'll need to have some sort of global interceptor for UI inputs. And then it'll need to somehow, like, re-emit these. Wait, wasn't... Hang on. Why did... When you slide, you're supposed to be able to roll. And it's not working. Hang on, let's test this again. There's a massive delay on it as well. I don't know what that's about. Alright, let's go to here. Seems like these are basically good, and a lot less code. So much of this stuff is going to have to be changed once I do my UI rework, but that'll be okay. Oh wait, I haven't even tested the actual options yet. Hang on. Because this entire thing was based on a player finding the flying guys too difficult. So let's go back to like 124 or something. Wait, also, hang on, I'm gonna make sure that my sound emitters... So, because I had that bug with the names here, where it wasn't getting the e-name properly. So let's play sound once a name. Yeah, so this did the right thing. By default, which is kind of silly. I accidentally closed the entire menu. Oh well. It doesn't matter that much. Yeah. Oh, hang on. I think I have double damage on. Yeah, let's put the enemy damage to half damage. Which will still kill me, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so now, okay. Look at that. Yeah, that's fine. So let's go to the enemies. Eventually I'd like to redo this whole system, because some of my enemies I want to be kinematic bodies, and others I want to be rigid bodies. Though, actually no. Now that I've said that, what I'm going to do soon is convert them all back to kinematic bodies, because the kinematic bodies are what I want. I don't want them to be rigid bodies. I just did that because I thought it was improving performance, but it was just because the profiler didn't show it correctly. Like, it was just not right. But okay. That's all that stuff. Let's make some functions for, time to alert factor be aggression, So they'll just get alerted faster, and, well... Do I actually do anything with that? Because I think I'm pretty sure they get alerted instantly right now. Yeah, they just instantly do that, I'm pretty sure. Maybe. Let's go to the, Raleigh. Okay, so it's alert time. This will be the default. So this gives the player some time to get out of their face before they start aggressing you. They'll be not very persistent here, so let's go to my... Oh, wow. Hi. Thanks for the raid. Right now I'm doing some exciting stuff. I'm adding difficulty settings for the AI. So we need a time to alert factor. And then, wherever it is... Where's my time? Oh yeah, here it is. Give up timer. See, this will be a little tricky to figure out, or to test. So let's go somewhere with enemies. So it'd be like down in this pit. So we need to set my difficulty. So yeah, let's have enemies do half damage, player do double damage, aggression. Let's start with normal aggression, I guess, so that I can see if this is consistent. So it only affects these crawler guys for now. And I think they're very persistent. It's something like you have to be out of their range for like 10 seconds or something before they give up. Yeah, so now he's gotten bored and he's just stopped. So let's go to difficulty. Let's do low aggression. So now it should be like 3 seconds. Yeah, he gave up very quick. Oh, right. It's also because they wait a long time. Yeah, okay. Oh, yeah, and I've gone to the boundaries of the world. So that stance there is because they have the low aggression. So it's going to wait for a little bit. So he waits. He's all stanced up. He's ready to go. Then he charges in. Yeah, thanks. There we go. Now let's make them high aggression. So that should hopefully give, like, players who don't want to fight enough time to, like, get out of their way. So now they can run away pretty easy. Thanks. So let's see. A little janky with that high aggression. Let's see, it's been a little over a year, but I actually just got back from a month-long break. So yeah, I relaxed with some other projects. So yeah, these guys will now take a very long time. It'll be like 15 seconds of chasing you before they give up. I'm gonna put them back at normal aggression. Because I don't want them chasing me. Let's see, let's get the rest of these enemies in here. Let's see, I think this one will be unique, because it has its own logic. Also, I'm gonna make their bullets faster. So where is that? Fire orb. Times it'll be very similar to one of these ones. Projectile aggro factor. So let's say it'll be a little bit more like that. So that will work just fine. And then the gunner. See, speeder uses the same thing, turtle. Fire. So this will use fire orb, and then we'll do time to. Does this have a time to quit? Oh, this will actually be good. I'm gonna also make them hit stunned much longer. So how do these work? Damage time. So yeah, this way they're a lot easier to deal with at low aggression. And let's get the gunner. It has its aim function. Projectile aggro factor. And it'll also have a timer. Where else do I want this? I guess that's okay. Basically, they'll just aim at the player faster. They won't actually, like, charge their gun faster, maybe. Well, actually... yeah, I can do that. I'll tweak this time to alert factor, though. Let's see if these guys behave differently when I do, this. And I kind of want to do, I kind of do want to add my little joke option where the player does no damage whatsoever. Wait, I need to make sure. Okay, it does have the spaces. For some reason I thought, I couldn't remember. But okay, nice. Now the projectiles move twice as fast, so that's good. Yuck, I need to... hang on. I'm gonna lower this a little bit. I think I need to bring back my kinematic bodies for the enemies, because yeah, these are not looking good. I'll just need to make sure that they're performant. But I guess they should be. Like, I think it was just I was misunderstanding the profiler. Because, like, there's no way that full rigid body simulations are faster than kinematic bodies, even with the advantage of, like, doing them all as a batch. I think, maybe. And if push comes to shove, I guess I can make some sort of, like, you know, like, batch all of the kinematic movement together in, like, the physics or something. Alright, let's go to 97, I think, is one. So I think there's guns around here. Or guys with guns. And I should probably do something a little bit more graceful with this grass. Like, just a simple, like, you know, flat blades. Gently rolling in the breeze. But alright, let's see my gunners. Yeah, so now they just like lock on. So you need to perfect dodge out of their way. Yeah, now they're just like trained on you at all times. That's terrifying. Now let's test it at low aggression. Yeah, now they can barely like keep track of you. Well, yeah, if you just roll out of their way like once or twice, though, you know, they can't figure out where you are. Oh, wrong button. Oh well. Okay, that seems good. Wait, I forgot. I was gonna add... I'm just gonna add it now. Where's that difficulty? So you can make it so... damage taken factor? So now you can just... Let's do options. Difficulty. Yep, no damage, normal damage, low aggression. Let's do high aggression, just for fun. So now they should, you know, they've got a lock on me at all times, and I'm completely invincible. Maybe I should also make it like insta-kill. I'm gonna do that. Actually, let's return d dot get factor. There's quite a lot of lag here. I guess I can't do guarantees, so let's just do 1 million. Okay, so now it's guaranteed. So you can make enemies invincible, you can make them hit you in one, or kill you in one hit, you can make yourself invincible and kill things in one hit. So if you really wanted to just, you know, make the game very hard for yourself. Alright, let's see if I can actually, like, figure this out. So this is like the realism mode, where, like, you know, these robots are indestructible. And they're very good. And they'll kill you instantly. But you also still have your perfect dodge roll. Oh. Alright, that's fun. Oh. So added joke modes. Let's see, what else was I doing? So that's just for that feedback. Quality of life. Rolling around everywhere. It would be nice if there were also sprinting. I guess the fact that the player gets their little hover scooter, I could just make them get that earlier. Because I'll kinda need to do... Oh yeah, I'm gonna make myself invincible, maybe. Let's just take half damage. Kill everything in one hit. Normal aggression. This is fun. Oh wait, I just realized the knockback is based on... Knockback is proportional to the amount of damage you do, so now there's 1,000,000 times as much knockback on your attacks. Though also it doesn't affect your bullets yet. So yeah, maybe I'll just give the player this scooter earlier, because I think if I add sprinting, that would significantly change the platforming that's already here. Hmm. It's so funny how they just disappear completely. I'm still trying to think. I guess there's no instance of anything other than the player using a gun, so I could just make it so they, you know, get the player's damage factor. At least for now. Yeah. I guess you write for the code that exists, and you write to solve the problem that exists today. And then you can solve a different problem later. So it'll be damage. Take damage. B equals yeah, I already make it as if it's going to be from the player anyway. And I think the wave shot and the grav gun are the only other ones that actually have any sort of damage calculation. I think it's this one that does it. Okay, it's the explosion. Okay, enemies have this. It'll be damage times equals b dot get factor b dot player damage. And I'll need to add a special case for this enemy. So that takes care of the gravity gun. And the bubble is... Okay, so it's a custom thing. So I can just add it here. Yeah, so eventually I'll need to figure out if there's... Let's put this here. So now, because I have my one-hit kill... Nice. Oh wait, that... So that makes things a little more complicated. In that some things actually require not being, you know, obliterated on contact. Like that platform, like these things, they're meant to fall. Well, actually, they're exclusively for like shooting down so that enemies don't come down, I guess. So, that's fine, I guess. Then we'll get that guy out of here. I think I'll just play the game like this from now on. This is fun. My grass could look better. It could definitely look better. Okay. That's all good. Those are fine. Damage, guns, effect, damage, settings. Oh wait, I don't think the gunners do though. Oh wait, no, they do, because it's gotten directly from the player. So the player also takes double damage from all the environmental hazards. Is there a way that I can ignore this? Because, like, I know that it's a narrowing conversion. Maybe rounds? Is that good? Alright, that's fine enough. I don't want a bunch of warnings polluting my lovely logs. Okay. Alright, I didn't actually fix this one. Right, because I wanted the player to have the hoverboard after they got up to 113, because otherwise everything gets a little too easy. I mean, I guess I could make the hoverboard just not hover on water. Then it'd be kind of lame. I'll put it, that'll be a bigger feature, so let's put it in, like, larger mechanics of, like, movement. Slide, so this will be that'll be good. Why is this still here? See, I'll just have this one here. Let's have my, let's go to my platforms. Let's just delete this. I don't need this. Hmm. Wait, it's not start timer, it's create timer. Let's do if not falling. So basically this reset will reset this as well. So now, by default, it'll have this reset time of 3 seconds. So I don't need to hit the buttons or anything. And that should be enough for most things. You know, I'm questioning the wisdom of making this level so dependent on being able to fall into the water as like the major hazard, and then giving the player a vehicle at some point in the game that completely invalidates that. It makes me think of how in Celeste, in one of the early levels, it lets you go multiple paths, but as you unlock things by cleaning up the hotel removes some of the platforms you could stand on, so the level, no matter what order you do it in, maintains a gradual like increase of difficulty. Where here, you know, doing more of the game first and getting this, you know, completely negates the hazard of falling on this. So like, you know, because that's an instant death. I really do need more, like, visual flair in here. I need to, like, look at some architecture or something. And, like, try to figure out... I need to make a whole, like, day of it. Or a few... Well, day of it. Like, weeks... Like, a whole week of it. Like, just making things that look cool. Because I think... Oh, oh right. I still have 1,000,000,000 damage. Alright, so what should I do after this? Okay, so after much ceremony, I can now come up here and test my whatever I'm testing. And I was playing off stream a bunch, so I really miss having like nice frame rate in this game. Because it's amazing how much smoother a game plays when you're not also streaming 1080p video, and you're playing the compiled version, not the editor version. Alright, so my trick here so I'll need to make a fancy little like thing for this. I guess I could use I have my fancy little hologram thing. Yeah, I could do the hologram. Hologram. Inspector, I guess it'll be a constant. And let's just export. This will be our material overlay for this thing. Because what it'll do is let's make an animation player. New viz reset. So material override, key that. Then we will key our realness. One. Okay, this will be a cool magic trick. So I need this to fade out perfectly, but I don't want to make a bunch of unique shaders, so... Oh wait. Not quite right. Paste this property. Maybe. Copy from here. Paste to here. Key that in. So look at this. It fades in. All normal and beautiful. Fades out. Then it fades in. And so right here, I'll need a new track to do this. Insert key, reset. So the visual reset there we go. Right. I should also probably as a little fail-safe for that jitter from my dang particles. I should just make it so that I spawn with like several of them in the pool already, like pre-reserve some of them. There's also no clip up there. I've already proven myself as an elite gamer. So now let's watch that. Whoop, whoop. Beautiful. It's like a proper dang video game. Beautiful. Wonderful. That's how video games are meant to be. You have your little teleporting little platforms. They zoop in. And then I can do this, and they still instantly reset. And I don't have to worry about doing a duplicate, I think. Why did that one not... Wait, why did this one not move? Hang on. Oh, there it goes. That one's just doing something weird. This is so good. I love that damage boost thing. Okay, now it's fallen like reasonably. That's a very pretty effect. I'm glad that I'm good at designing video games now. I've decided. It's been determined. Nothing beats a nice little visual effect. Okay. Falling platforms now respawn. Effect. So that means that also now my the switches that I used to have are now irrelevant. So like here. Well, these ones are important still. Somewhere in here. What does this one do? Yeah, I don't need that anymore. Goodbye. That one I do need. This one, goodbye. This one, also, goodbye. And also I'll remove this while I'm here. Because we need a fountain large. Because I used to have like a water faucet that I used. And that's like bad looking. I used the wrong thing. There we go. Alright, beautiful. Let's see. Have I done anything else? So this is good. Quality of life. This is performance, I guess. Oh wait, I guess that's in tech and performance. Controls. So this... Let's see if I can get the keyboard and controls. Because there were specific reasons that I had, like the key... Because, let's see. Actually, I don't actually use the dive anywhere. So I might just change it to an air kick. Because I did want to steal the air kick from Pseudoregalia. Tween was not added to Scene Tree. Well, it should have been. I think that's just something with when the world is exiting the tree, it doesn't clean up its state properly. So there's some warnings at the end. I don't get that red. I don't like that. Oh well. Oh, right. Am I supposed to be able to get up here? Yeah, I think I'm supposed to be able to get here. Oh, right, yeah, of course I am. Because I have to hit this switch. Can I cheese my way up further? I think if I had more stamina. Oh, I can just... Okay. So the player doesn't need to be perfect with that. They can just hop on it. Or hop up to it and climb. This one, though, they do need to be perfect. Oh. Wait, what am I doing? Was I like trying to fix a bug or something? Or did I just like forget what I was supposed to be doing and just start playing the game? Right, the mouse sensitivity. That's what I was supposed to be testing, but I didn't test it. Alright, let's play with the keyboard. Oh my god. Wow, yeah. The mouse sensitivity is way too high. I think it is dependent on the frame rate. Let's go back to camera rig. Delta. So we need mouse aim, mouse accumulate, delta times 60. So I don't think it should be this delta here. Like, cause yeah, that feels much better. Because I think it was just I was trying to make it, I was making it frame rate dependent when it's not, like, because it gets the raw pixels from the mouse movement and then like adds them over the course of the frame. Yeah, now it's a little bit low. So we can go up to 4. Let's go to like, I want like 1.4 or something. So yeah, the other thing that a person was questioning was the use of shift to wall jump. Which honestly, I guess the big problem is I just don't think keyboards are good for games. Well, most games at least. Like, I would not play the game like this by choice, regardless of like the actual like quality of the keyboard bindings. But I guess I can at least make the... Let's see, because I think that's fixed, the mouse sensitivity. Because yeah, I mean, it was literally doubling the amount of influence that the mouse had depending on the frame rate. So yeah. Oh. How do I... Right, I hold X here. So yeah, the other player was wondering about like the value of having shift be the high jump button. And I think I'm gonna reread what they said out loud so that I can try to understand it. So specific wall jumping. So crouch jumping could be simplified to just holding the jump button for X time before getting a jump boost. So yeah, I think they're either talking about like short hopping, which is common in a lot of games where you hold the button in the air and then when you release it, it reduces your vertical height. Or they're talking about a charge jump, which could be interesting, but I'd have to sort of rework the movement to feel right with a delay. Because then it's no longer pressing the jump button to go up, it's releasing the jump button to go up. Yeah, I'll put them off. I'll put those ones off. That'll be for like... rethinking these. So these three, I'm going to say these are going to be the last things, because I'm going to do a lot of movement reworking. Checking performance. So this one, I sort of fixed this, but make sure crashes don't happen. Or let's put that in bugs. It'll be game breaking. I guess crash. When moving between chunks. And I'm pretty sure I know exactly where this is happening, because basically there are objects that are created in the rendering thread that are then deleted at the same time as objects are being deleted in the or I think what it is like object A has a signal connecting to object B, and they're both being deleted at the same time in different threads. So when it tries to like update the signal map for one of the objects to be like, oh, this object no longer has signals connected to this one, it breaks because it's trying to access like null pointers and things like that, because like the because the dictionary of signals was deleted in the object that's being deleted. So stuff like that. Oh yeah, also you can't get out of here until the oh wait, does this? Hang on. I think, oh right, this is because where's my analog aim? So this is analog aim. So I need delta times 60 times analog aim, maybe? Because the analog aim is delta sensitive, or it's frame rate dependent. And the mouse sensitivity is not frame rate dependent, I think. Oh wait, well, I mean, I know it is because, or I know it isn't because, like, you just have moved your mouse more pixels if the frame rate is lower. Okay, so I think that's correct. Git add player mouse aim is frame rate independent. Let's make sure that I did what I'm this is nothing that what? Okay, that's what it was. Okay. And someday I'm still thinking I might make a, I might make this use a deferred renderer. Just really give myself, you know, as much work as humanly possible. Can I actually get up here? I can. Who knew? I even designed the game around this. And it's so, like... That's probably an issue. Oh well. I think some people have actually beaten this little section. Though I might need to see it with my own eyes from somebody recording themselves playing the game blind to actually believe that they, like, saw that and were like, oh yeah, I can make that with the climb. Oh yeah, I can go back to this door. Let's see. Does this actually... So we have our lovely... all of our things. Oh yeah. This bug's driving me crazy still. The fact that this inventory viewer starts, I'm pretty sure, at 512 by 512. And then only when I unpause and repause does it actually come back. Hi. Let's see, and I think... the demo's out. See, right now I'm actually working on some feedback from it. Let's see, so I think the player just needs to go... Which way do I need to go, actually? So this is open now. So if the player doesn't come out here, they'll need to remember how to game. I should probably put a link to the demo on Twitch now. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm making sure that if the player sort of talks to characters, they'll at least have little markers on their map, but otherwise, yeah, it'll be tricky for players to figure out where to go, so I have to figure out how difficult I want to make it. Also, there's, like, something wrong with my code here. It's, like, overshooting. I wonder if that's, like, frame rate dependent. Because it should slow down when you're moving away from something and accelerate when you're moving towards it. Oh well. I'll figure that out later. Actually, let's just put that in the bugs. So bugs, annoying, UI, map, crosshair, overshoots. Oh yeah, I forgot, there's also, you can also use the mouse now, which is nice. Hmm. Let's see. I don't know. I guess not really like Easter eggs in the traditional sense of like references to other things. I guess there are a lot of pretty out of the way places already. Hmm. I need more stuff. And I also do need to figure out what I'm going to do about getting the hover scooter earlier. Because I do think it's going to be kind of a necessary tool for the player. Probably right after they complete the tutorial area, they should get it. In fact, why not just put it in 113? It's like right up here. I'm going to put a little hover scooter. Let's go to like 109 or something. $97? See, let's put this right up here. This way I can make sure the player gets this as early as they can after they've actually done all the hard work of beating this area without it. And they can still also get it later, if they somehow missed it here. Or actually, hang on, it'd be cool. I could put it a little bit more out of the way. There we go. That gives the player a little neat little place that they can be like, I wonder what's in there. What else was I doing? I guess this is... Mouse to move and space to jump did work with the mouse. Oh yeah, okay, so this is Linux stuff. So I'll have to do that testing off at some other point. So I guess that'll be here. Controls. So I guess I've done this one at least. And I have laid the groundwork for character customization. I'll just put that in like my gameplay, like larger features. Custom. So what is this? Larger mechanics. Customization. More coat models. More hair models. In there, yeah, I'll keep in mind smaller gameplay mechanics of like, mix in simpler puzzle elements. So I guess that gives me whatever that gives me. And this would be an okay stopping point for today. Because I want to sort of draft up a plan, because I have a plan for like the V2 of this. I guess what I can do is I can start thinking of the... What am I trying to say? Let's make a deadline for the demo V2. So I'm gonna be gone for a little... Well, I'm gonna be... What am I gonna be? I'll be here for most of June. I'll be here gone for a little bit of July, like around the July 4th week. Yeah, let's say like August 1. So let's put in like my, let's make a new file. Deadlines. August. Let's see, so I would like a weekend. So let's say August 7. Demo V2. It'll be the new dialogue mechanics. Let's say 5 or more quests using new fancy UI. Okay, that gives me plenty of time, I think. So I think this fancy UI will be the main issue. Actually, fix and major stutters. Yeah, so I'll explain the dialogue mechanics Monday. That'll be good. Alright. Well, you know what? I'm gonna say that's a good little starting stream for coming back. So let's call that it for today. I'll be back Monday, I guess. I'll update my schedule, make sure that I'm actually gonna abide by that. And I will see you guys later.